In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay or loop a Google Slides presentation. If you want your presentation to run on its own without manually clicking from slide to slide, Google Slides gives you two simple ways to do it. This is especially useful for kiosk displays, event screens, classroom materials, or any situation where you want the slides to keep moving automatically. Let's start from your Google Slides presentation. Once your file is open, the first and easiest method is to use slideshow mode. This option is great if you're presenting directly from your computer or showing the slides on a screen locally. To do that, start your presentation in slideshow mode. Once the slideshow is playing, look for the presentation controls, usually available near the bottom or through the menu in the slideshow view. From there, you can choose an autoplay setting and also enable looping so the presentation starts over again after the last slide. This method is quick and convenient because it doesn't require publishing anything. It's ideal when you just need the presentation to keep running during a meeting in a lobby or on a display where the file is already open. If you're using this approach, it's a good idea to test the timing first so each slide stays on screen long enough to be read comfortably. The second method is to use publish to the web. This is the better choice if you need a shareable link that opens and plays automatically, or if you want to embed the presentation on a website. In your presentation, open the File menu and choose the option to publish the presentation to the web. From there, you'll be able to set the presentation to advance slides automatically after a selected amount of time, and you can also choose to restart the slideshow after the last slide. Once those settings are in place, publish the presentation and use the generated link or embed code. This option is especially helpful when you want other people to view the presentation without needing to control it themselves. It creates a more hands-off viewing experience and works well for websites, digital signage, or shared resources. Whichever method you choose, the key difference is simple. Slideshow mode is best for direct playback from within Google Slides, while publish to the web is best for automatic playback through a link or embedded page. Before you finish, preview the presentation once to make sure the slide timing and looping behavior work the way you want. And that's how to autoplay or loop a Google Slides presentation.